Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the types of trend, how the market moves. Basically, we have two types of trend, the upward trend and the downward trend. Now, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Like I said, I'm starting from the very basis of how to trade the market, and that's why I'm starting from these types of trend, the types of trend we have. Now, in this trend, you can see this is an upward trend. It is called the bullish or upward trend. While there are times that price will just be making series of equal highs and equal low. Price will move impulsive to the upside to certain level. The price will drop to the almost same level and then upward again and all of that. Then there are times where you see that price will make an impulsive move downward, then retrace, then give another impulsive move. In this trend, this is called the bearish trend. Now let's go in detail. In a bullish trend, when price make an impulsive move from this price level, price will make an impulsive move. In a bullish trend, when price make an impulsive move to this level is called the higher high. Yes, price will move from this point to this point to give an higher high. Yes, and then retrace back from here, retrace back. When price move from this price level to here to give higher high, price will retrace back or pull back to this price level to give higher low. So this point is called higher low. Higher low. And then when price move from this price level to give another high, this high is called higher high again because it's higher than this level. Yes. Price will give another higher high here. And then pull back or retrace back. And then break this structure again or go above this point to give another high. This high is called higher high again. Then this low is higher low. Same thing applies to this low. So in a bullish trend, when price make an impulsive move from this price level to this price level to give higher high, price will now pull back or retrace back to this point to give higher low, and then move impulsively to this point to give another high, and then retrace again to give higher low, move impulsively again to give another high, retrace again to give higher low. When you see this kind of movement, an upward trend, it is called a bullish trend. And in this trend, the price or the momentum is usually to the upside. You see a fast movement of price to the upside, and then the price will now pull back slowly to a certain level and then move impulsively to give another high, then pull back or retrace or correction. We call this slow movement pullback or correction or retracement, and then move impulsively again to give high. You see that in this bullish trend, the momentum of price is to the upside. That's why we call this a bullish or upward trend. Yes. And then in a bearish trend, the momentum of price is to the downside. When price moves from this price level to give a lower low impulsively and then retrace back to this price level, then come down again impulsively, this is a bearish trend because the price is to the downside. And in this trend, the momentum of price is usually to the downside. It moves very fast to this point, retrace slowly or pull back or correction, then break again, then pull back, break. Then this, when price go to this level, this is called the lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Yes. In a downward trend, like I said, price move impulsively to give lower low, pull back or retrace back to give lower high, break this structure, go below this lower low to give another lower low because this low is lower than this low, and then price will retrace back again. Price will retrace back to this point to give another lower high. Yes, this is a downward trend. Impulse that will give you a lower low, retracement to give you lower high, break again, lower low, retraces back or pull back to give lower high, then break again. When you have this series of break of structure to the downside, this is called the bearish trend. Yes. Now, this is the very basis of how the price moves in terms of the types of trend we have. And in this upward trend, what you should be looking out for is a buy trade to the upside. Because basically in the market, we buy to the upside while we sell to the downside. If you are in a bullish trend, what you should be looking out for when price move impulsively to this price level and pull back and break again, break to the upside. This is a break of structure. When price break this price level or go above this price level, when price break above this price level to this high, this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure. And then when price retraces again, you are to wait here to catch this impulsive move upward. This is how to trade. And that is why it's very important for one to identify your trend. Identify your trend in the market. Know that if you are in a bullish trend, you are going to be buying. And then if you are in a bearish trend, when price make an impulsive move downward and retrace, break this structure. That's an intention that price is going down. When price retraces again, you wait here to take a set trade downward. So in a bullish trend, we will now be waiting to actually take a set trade downward. Yes. So, however, in a bullish trend, one can take a trade of this retracement downward, but it requires a level of skills to actually trade this retracement downward. But for a beginner in a bullish trend, what you should be looking out for is a buy opportunity in the market. When price break the previous high, this is a break of structure. We call this break of structure BOS. That is a break of structure. That is a break. That is a break of structure. Break of structure. Price break above this price level. Price went above. So it's a break of this structure to the upside. That is what we call BOS. To give this price level. And then price retraces again down to this level to give another lower high and then break this structure again. So when price go above this price level, that is another break structure. Note that price can move from this price level here, get to this level without breaking this high and continue going down. But until price break this previous level to the upside before you have a break of structure. Because price can even give you equal high here and then go down. That is not a break of structure. Until price break above or go above this price level before you can say there is a break of structure. Now price break above this price level to this level, there is a break of structure here. Now the price got here, pull back again, retrace again to this price level, and then move up and break above. There's another break of structure here to this downside, retrace and then break. Yes, this is your BOS. Another BOS here, another break of structure there, another break of structure here. Now, for a bearish trend, you also have the same thing. When price from this price level move impulsively to this level to give a lower low, then retraces back, break again. The break of structure is here. Yes, break of structure. Break of structure to the downside is here. Price break or went below this price level. This is a break of structure down here. The same thing again, another BOS, another BOS, another BOS, another BOS here. Break of structure, break of structure, another break of structure. Yes, this is another break of structure to the downside. So in this video, I've just explained the types of trend we have. That we have price moving upward, giving you a series of higher highs and higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. This is a bullish trend. But when market is just giving you equal high and equal low, you see that the market is ranging or consolidating. This is basically consolidation. When the market is just ranging, giving you equal high without any significant break of structure to the upside or to the downside. But price can break above. After any kind of range, price can either break below or break above. But in this kind of movement where you have price giving you equal highs and equal low, this is a ranging market. The price is just ranging. And then when you have price giving you a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then giving impulsive move downward, this is a bearish trend. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to end this video with types of trend that we have for beginner to understand. In our next video, we'll talk more about this break of structure, and then when there's a break of structure in the market, and then for other purpose. Thanks so much for watching.